Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy CHILLGUY Coin on Phantom Wallet. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you have your Phantom Wallet app on your PC, or if you have it on your phone, that's fine. You just need to open your Phantom Wallet. On our PC, we're going to go to the top right area where we have the Phantom extension. We're going to click on it, and we're already logged in, but it might ask you to log in if you've not used it for a while. So currently we're in our Phantom Wallet. Now what you can do is to go over to the bottom right area here, and we can click on it. This is the Explore tab, and you can search for sites or tokens. So we're going to search for CHILLGUY. And here you can see lots of different options that are a bit confusing, but not to worry, because we're going to be helping you to see how you can buy the legitimate CHILLGUY. The first option has just CHILLGUY, and the second option just a CHILLGUY with ETH. And you have other CHILLGUY options. You're going to go ahead and select the first one because this looks like it, and we'll tell you why. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on more. And here you're going to click on View on SoulScan. Now the purpose of doing this is to verify the authenticity of CHILLGUY. We're going to click on View on SoulScan. It's going to take us to a new web page. And some of the ways we could verify the CHILLGUY token as the one we've selected is to look here in SoulScan, and we can see token just a CHILLGUY. And here you can see the blue tick. You could also verify by clicking on the token address, and it's going to reveal the token address, and you can cross-check this with other websites. You also see the owner program, which is Solana token program, and other details such as the market cap, the current price, and things like that. And now that we've verified it, we can click on the Phantom app again, either here on our web browser or on your mobile device. So now we're back on our Phantom wallet using the web extension, and then we're going to go to the bottom right once again, click on the trending icon, search for CHILLGUY. By tapping chill, I can see CHILLGUY already. I'm going to tap on it, and here you can see the swap option. You're going to click on it, and already you can see Solana and the CHILLGUY. You'll need to have some Solana in order to swap from Solana to your CHILLGUY. And when this is done, an option will show where you can confirm your transaction, eventually giving you CHILLGUY from your Solana. So this is how to buy CHILLGUY Coin on a Phantom Wallet.